On today, we talk of a new RTX 3050 version with a new chip a few weeks after its launch. We will see two large American fast food companies that want to enter the Metaverse, the possibility of 3D printing our Steam Deck, and the next Steam Next Fest. Good morning, and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming video, and if you want to take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. A few weeks after our release of the RTX 3050, there would be a new version on horizon. In agreement with Igor Labs comes the news that soon the RTX 3050 will be available in two variants. One with the current one that will be mounted the GA106-150 chip, and a new one with the GA107 chip. The new RTX 3050 with GA107 will have the same feature as the variant with GA106-150, so it has 2560 CUDA core, 20 RT cores, 80 tensors, 8GB of GDDR6X of memory, operating at 14 GB per second, 128-bit of memory bus, 224 GB per second of memory bandwidth. The only variant is the TDP, the GA160-150 variants of 150 watts, while in the new GA107 variant it will be 15 watts less than the previous one. The analysis also revealed that the GA106 and the GA107 GPUs are compatible with the pins. This means that no partner design changes are required, just use a different processor and a compatible BIOS. The new GA107 chip overall will be better than GA160 with a higher theoretical level of overclocking. Igor Labs also added that the new GA107 chip will only be used if there are not enough GA106. It's quite unusual to find a new version of a product a few weeks after its market launch. This new version seems to be a way of putting only a patch on a shortage problem. So this variant will be most likely only create a confusion for the final buyer and also for those who have just purchased the RTX 30, who will almost certainly wonder, but what am I buying? Well, we'll see how they handle this thing. From the clothing sector to the tech and gaming and automotive sectors, the interest of many large companies in the Metaverse and consequently in the world of NFT or non-fungible tokens is growing. Now the fast food industry is also about to enter the Metaverse. After rumors, the most famous and the largest American fast food chain, McDonald's, has expressed its desire to create virtual restaurants with real and virtual products. As reported by Josh Girbin on his Twitter profile, a lawyer specializing in a registration of a new trademark, McDonald's presented documents for the registration of its brand for the management of a virtual restaurant featuring actual and virtual goods and the management of virtual restaurant feature on delivery. Likewise, another big fast food company with thousands of shops scattered across the USA and Canada, Panera Bread, is also planning its entry into the Metaverse. According always to Josh Girbin, the registered trademarks are also linked to the opening of restaurants and services in the Metaverse identified with the name of Paneraverse. Unlike McDonald's, however, Panera Bread would also have registered trademarks regarding NFT or non-fungible tokens to be used in transactions to purchase virtual food and drinks. This is a market that could bring earnings for the companies, but always looking at and respecting the end user. The Steam Deck has recently arrived in the hands of various reviewers such as Linus Tech Tips and Gamer Nexus to test it and do some teardowns. Now Valve has made a welcome gift to all community, releasing the CAD files of external shell of its new portable console. The most interesting thing is that 3D CAD files are available under Creative Commons licenses. This will allow various players outside Valve to contribute to the improvement of console. So, this initiative will include a wide range of users, from accessory manufacturers, repairs, but above all to modders, who will now be able to make changes to their Steam Deck, but also more simply to future buyers who, before deciding whether to buy it or not, want to see it live, the new console from Valve, by printing it in 3D. The Steam Deck external shell package is downloadable from GitLab and includes the STP model, STL model and the reference drawings in a DWG format. We remind you, the console will be launched on February 25. Staying in Valve House Home, Steam has announced the new edition of Steam Next Fest. The event will take place toward the end of this month, more precisely from February 21 to 28. Like the past October edition, the new Steam Next Fest will also let us try new titles coming soon, making available hundreds of demos. And you, what do you think? Let me know as always in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.